Take two. Apparently I can't talk in my own yard without the dog going fucking nuts. Doesn't know who in the hell I am, supposedly. Thing's a fucking idiot. So anyway, more for my documentation than anything. I did get the hood off. That's really easy. I was overthinking that way too much, how that came off of there. You just unscrew it from over here, and then the whole hood flops off, like just opens up like a hood and it comes off. I'm trying to pry on these, thinking they're pins or some shit. Didn't remember that you can just, thought I broke it when it happened actually, but nope. Real simple and easy to get those off. So this is more for my own documentation than anything, but I figured I'd probably still post it on YouTube and share it with you guys. Unhooking the wiring on this thing, because I'm doing an engine swap. Not today, it's not gonna be done today. It's kind of shitty weather, you know, welcome to fall in Michigan. But so this right here, that goes to your lights. Remember that, dumbass, talking to myself. This blue one here goes into that. And how you disconnect these. I already disconnected them, and then I'm like, fuck, I better document this so I know what goes where. These little ears here, you just kind of pry those open a bit and then give this a good firm tug. Don't like reef on it, but you know, give it a pretty firm pull and they'll come right off. Same for this one, this blue wire. So this is either a red or green wire that goes here into the bottom of this box. Then the blue wire goes up into there. This wire I don't have off yet. I'm not quite sure what's up with that, how that connects. Can I see it there? It looks like I might just pry some little ears there open. And I haven't even really looked at the electronics on the other tractor, or on the other engine, but I'll figure that out. This went into that plug there. This obviously went into the starter. And that's about all the electrical I'm really seeing on this thing. Yeah, that's about all I'm really seeing as far as electrical that's hooked from the tractor to the engine. So, all right, cool. I think we're set.